Lord Chaitanya continued, Prema Bhakti Vilayite Mora Avatar Janma Janma Tumi Prema Sevaka Amar. Shukambar, I have incarnated to distribute Prema Bhakti Vilayite. You are my beloved servant, birth after birth. Prem Sevak. That would be nice. Oh, what are you on, Prem Sevak? No, Daridra Sevak. Fallen, Patita Sevak. Fallen Sevak. Janma Janma Tumi, Prema Sevak Amar. Prema Sevak Amar. I'm a loving servant of the Lord. Why you beggar? You beggar, why don't you get a job? Useless wretch. Parasite. Call the police on people like you. Should put away. Useless beggar. Look, we work hard. You guys, why don't you get a job and work hard instead of being lazy hippie? And then we think, I'm Gauranga's praying sevaka. Praying sevak. I'm a loving servant of the Lord. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me. Lord Jesus said this. Sometimes they would throw stones at him when he was preaching and chase him with sticks and beat him. Sticks and stones may break my bones, and of course they ridiculed him. Oh, you're the Son of God? Ha! What a joke. We'll find out who you are. Tomare di lama ami prema bhakti dhan nishchaya janiya prema bhakti mora pran. Vishnuvar said, I now give you prema bhakti. Know for certain that prema bhakti is my life and soul. Nishchay janiha prema bhakti mora pran. Nishta jana. Know this very firmly, very conclusively, very absolutely, without any doubt, without any shred of a doubt, the slightest doubt. Nishchay, nishchay. Janami, knowledge. Tamar dilama, you prema bhakti dhan. This is interesting. Ami prema bhakti dhan. Everybody else, what do the people say in the village? They're saying, Shukambara, he's Daridra. They're all saying, he's Daridra. Shukambara, he's a Daridra, he's a poor man. He has nothing, he's a beggar. So the people, it's called Vox Populi. Vox means voice, populi means people, popular. It's a Greek term. Vox Populi means a popular opinion, Vox Populi. The general opinion of the masses. So the masses of people, all the Nadiyavasi said, Shukambara Brahmachari, he's Daridra, he's a poor, he's a beggar, he can't feed himself, he's begging from us. That's the opinion of the people. But then what's the opinion of God? Bhagavan Vichar. What's the consideration, the outlook of Bhagavan, Purna Bhagavan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He says, Prema Bhakti Dhan. You're a dhani, you have the wealth. I have given you the wealth of Prema Bhakti Dhan. I've given you the wealth of Prema. So in my eyes, you're very, very wealthy. Not only do you have the wealth of Prema Bhakti, but you can distribute it to others. It's one thing to have money. It's another thing to have so much money you can give to others. Like some people have money, but they don't give any charity. So I don't have enough, I have to keep it. Some people have millions of dollars and they distribute millions of dollars in charity. Schools, houses, this thing, food, medicine, everything. So he's that kind of wealthy person. He has so much wealth for himself of bhakti, and he's also distributing it to others. I now give you Prema Bhakti. It's my life and soul. Prema Bhakti Mora Pran. Shuklambera Varashuni Vaishnava Mandal Jaya Jaya Haridwani Karila Sakal. On hearing the benediction Shuklambar received from Vishwambar, all the Vaishnavas chanted Jai Jai Hari Hari Kamala Natera Britya Gare Gare Mhage Eirasera Marma Jani Kon Mahabhage. The servant of Lakshmi's Lord begs from door to door. What fortunate soul can understand the mystery of such pastimes? In other words, Lakshminath, as Lord Chaitanya is Lakshminath. The servant of Lakshmi's Lord. Who is the Lord of Lakshmi? Narayan. Who is Narayan? He is one Amsha of Lord Chaitanya. Because Lord Chaitanya is Sarva Avatari. So the servant of Lakshmi's Lord, which means Lord Gauranga, he is begging, that means Shukambar. Lakshmi Devi is your wife, and your servant is a beggar. And that's very strange. What fortunate soul can understand the mystery of this pastime? Rasa Ramarma Jani. Dashagari Magiya Tandula Viprapai Lakshmi Pati Gora Chandra Taha Karikai. Whatever rice Shuklambara collected by begging at 10 houses was forcibly eaten by Gaurachandra, the husband of Lakshmi.